Good morning everyone. This is Ayushi. Let's continue our English class for class 7th. So students, we have completed our present tense. Now today we are going to start our next tense, that is past tense. So let's get started. Starting today's class, first of all tally the answers of yesterday's homework. In that, I asked you complete the passage with the present perfect tense. First of all students, you must be knowing what you have to fill. So here we have present perfect forms are has, have, plus verb third form. Okay, so don't forget this, has with singular, have with plural and verb third form with both of them. Okay, now let's read the paragraph. Shyamal, as we know this is singular, that's why, and we have to see here in the bracket what is given, always love. Okay, so Shyamal singular, that's why has, always, love third form, loved. Okay, coming to the forest near his ancestral village. Ancestral means like where his parents, grandparents supposed to live. Okay, so his ancestral village, he again singular, that's why has see third form, seen, see, saw, seen. Okay, seen many animals here at close range. And now see students, nothing is given here, means after conjunction no subject is given. So what we have to do in that case, we have to see the previous subject whatever it is given. So here our previous subject is he, so according to this we have to fill our blank. Okay, so here he is singular, that's why he has spent third form, spent many afternoons studying the flora and fauna. He again singular, has also bring third form, brought. He also brought some of his friends during summer holidays every year. Together they plural have explored. Explored means they just search out new things. Okay, so they have explored the area. It is safe because no one has sighted. No one, that is singular one, has sight third form, sighted any predators in the area, save the odd jackal. The forest again singular, that's why has, and be third form, that is been. The forest has been part of the elephant's trail for decades. But the villagers, again plural, that's why have always dealt with it. Sadly now the authorities again plural, have planned to build a road through the forest. Shyamal is worried that his beloved haunt will no longer be the same. So I hope you have done your homework carefully. Only you had to keep in your mind has, have plus verb third form you have to put in this paragraph. Okay, now start in today's class we will cover up simple past tense. Now the simple past tense, for this you should know the form. So what is the form in this we are going to be used, that is verb second form. For the affirmative sentence we can say, indefinite sentence we can say, or positive sentence we can say. But if you want to frame the negative sentence, that in this we have to use did plus not. Okay, so here in this what happened, in this we have used did plus not. So did is second form, so after this you have to put did plus not plus verb first form. Now you will not put second form. Why? Because we have given the second form of do, and do has converted into did. Okay, that's why did not plus verb first form you have to put for the negative sentence. Okay, same for the interrogative one, what you have to use, did then plus verb first form for the interrogative one. Okay, so I hope you have understood. We will do some more examples. Now see, how will you identify that this sentence is given in the past tense? See the sentence, she read the book last Sunday. Now see here, read, she read the book last Sunday. So in this sentence, how did we come to know that this sentence is a simple past tense? Now see, last Sunday, it means by these two words we will come to know that this sentence is talking about for the past tense. Okay, because for the last Sunday we are talking about. Okay, so she read. Suppose if I had to speak the sentence in the present, then I will speak she reads. Not first of all with she, we have to put first form s or es. So in that case also the sentence we will identify that this is a simple past tense. Okay, now one more identification, Action started and completed in past. Means how will you identify? Suppose your action is started here. Past tense. Now present tense is going on. Present time is going on. And then your future. When you will start your action, now see in the past, and it is going to finish in the past only. Okay, this is the timeline, student. So when any action is going to start in the past, you are going to finish in the past only. That sentence will come in your simple past tense. Okay, I think you have understood. And as this is our indefinite sentence, positive sentence, so we had used here verb second form. Okay, if I want to frame the negative sentence, how will I make? She did not read the book last Sunday. If I want to frame the interrogative, just put the helping verb front. Did she read the book last Sunday? Question mark. Okay, now see examples here. Positive, negative and question means interrogative sentences. So how we have to identify positive means, first of all you should know that in this we have to use verb second form. Okay, for the negative one you have to use did plus and not, then plus verb first form. Okay, for the interrogative one you should use did plus, then you will get the subject, after that you will get verb first form. Okay, so now let's see further. Here, see, he met his wife 6 years ago. So he met, second form, meet, met. I graduated from the university, graduated. They watched a movie yesterday, watched. Simply you have to identify the verbs. These are only important to identify any kind of tense. Okay, you went to the bed early. So you went, go, went, gone. She studied in the library. She studied. They had dinner. Had is also our main verb also, student, as well as helping verb also. When is the helping verb? When had plus verb third form is given, that is in that case this is your helping verb. Okay, but only had is given means that is your second form. Has, okay, has, had, have, had. Like these we have forms. He felt sad yesterday, so that is felt. Okay, second form, feel, felt. We made a cake for you, so we made. Make, made. Student, maken is not a verb, is not a word even. Okay, the police found some clues, so find, found. So found, second form. I became a teacher 2 years ago, so I became. So became, second form we have used. Understood? So verb second form we have used all these. Now I have to frame the negative. What will I do? I will use did plus not I have used plus verb first form. So here didn't meet. I didn't graduate. They didn't watch. Now you can see here second form has converted into first form. Why? Because here we have given second form to do verb and it has converted into did. Okay, so went also has converted go. Studied, study. Why? Because we have used didn't. Okay, they didn't, had first form have. Okay, the police didn't find, first form again. I didn't become. Okay, he didn't feel. Okay, we didn't make. So understood? Did plus not plus verb first form we have to use for framing the negative sentence in simple past tense. For the question, simple, put the helping verb in the front and do as it is. Did he feel sad? Again see here, we have converted verb first form. Did they watch a movie? Did he meet her? Did she study in the library? Did the police find any clues? Did we make a cake for you? Did you go to the bed early? Did they have dinner last night? Did I graduate? Did I become a teacher? Understood? So for the negative interrogative, as we have used did, because of this we have to use verb first form. For the positive one, you have to use verb second form. Okay? Now see students, the difference between present perfect tense and simple past tense. Now this exercise actually we have, so you must be knowing the difference. It is used, present perfect tense if we are going to talk about, it is used to express unfinished events. Unfinished means suppose any event you have started in the past but still it is going on, continue to the present. Okay, that is your present perfect tense. Like, I have lived in Paris for 5 years. So, by this sentence we come to know that still he is living in Paris. I still live in Paris. Okay, by this for 5 years, like मैं 5 years से रह रहा हूँ. Okay, से रह चुका हूँ. So that is I have lived. Still I am living there. It is used to express in past tense finished, as I told you today only, that activity he will start in the past and it will finish even in the past. Like, my son was sick on Monday. So only he was sick on Monday, not any other day. Like, my son isn't sick now. Now he is perfectly fine. Okay, that's why simple past tense, activity started on Monday, finished also on Monday. That's why this is our simple past tense. Next one, it is used to express finished event in someone's life if the person is still alive or life experience. Like, say, he has never traveled by plane. He is alive means after by this we will come to know that in his future he can go. So he has never traveled by plane. Till now he has never traveled, but in his future he might go. Okay. Say, he traveled a lot by plane. By this we came to know that he is dead. Why? Because sentence is spoken in the past tense. Fine? Understood in this? By this sentence we came to know now the sentence that the person is dead. It is used to express finished event that happened in the past and impact of the event is now continuing. As we know very well, we can't reach Paul by phone. Have you seen him? Like, in the past we made him a call. We called him, but he did not pick the call. Okay, we did not reach him. So now in the present we are asking, have you seen him? So means activity started in the past, but the impact is in the present also. That's why we have used present perfect tense. Now, activity started in the past, but no result in the present. Like, he went to cinema 2 hours ago. 2 hours ago, where was he? He was in the cinema. And now he is at school. Okay, so means no activity, no relation no relation between cinema and school. Okay, because complete placing has been changed. Okay, understood? Now the last one, it is used with finished, unfinished timing word. Sometime what happened? See, very simple word. These, this week, today, this year, these are the present tense words only. So whenever you will see these words, you have to put present perfect tense. I have eaten lots of plums today. Today, so definitely you will not say I ate lots of plums today. It's wrong sentence. Okay. So today we are using, it means you have to use present perfect tense. I have eaten. But for the past tense, same as yesterday, last week, in 2000 or etc. so on. We didn't call him yesterday. This yesterday means we are talking about the past tense. We didn't call him. So I hope you have understood. Now let's do the exercise. In this, fill in the blank with the simple past or present perfect tense. So student, for this simply you must know what are the forms you have to fill. So forms, first of all you have to write simple past tense form, that is verb. Second form, for the present perfect tense, forms are has, have plus verb. Third form. Okay, so now let's start it. Rupa dash her MA in 2015. So we now the complete work is done in the past. In 2015 she has completed. Okay, the activity is over. That's why simple past we have used. Rupa finished her MA in 2015. She has joined the University of Reading for her PhD. Now by this sentence we are not aware that she has completed her reading. Okay, so that's why she is still involved in this. That's why she has joined. Okay, she has never gone to the United Kingdom, but she lived in the USA for a year as an exchange student. So see, she has never gone to the United Kingdom means in her future she can go. Okay, but she lived in the USA for a year. So by this we came to know that 1 year she spent her time. So that activity has done in the past. That's why we have used she lived. While walking down a crowded street, she loudly exclaimed, "Oh no, I have lost my phone." So while walking, I just means the complete activity is going on. Suppose you are walking anywhere. So what happened? After some time you realized that you have lost your phone. Activity of losing your phone started in the past. Okay, in the past you have lost your phone, but the impact is in the present. Now in the present time you are aware that your phone is lost. Okay, that's why we have used have lost. Present perfect. Jonas dash 7 books last week. It's very easy. Last week past tense. That's why Jana read. Jonas read. Thomas dash Australia when he was young. So again, when he visited when he was young. So visited, simple past. The ship's crew dashed the lifeboats as soon as they noticed that the vessel had developed a fault. See student, noticed, past tense is given already. Had developed means the complete activity is also in the past. That's why we have used here simple past, launched. Okay. Sana and Rosa dash in 8 countries. They have lived in 8 countries. So they know a lot about the cultures of different nations. Now see, still means they know. By this they know. See, present tense is given. By this we came to know that they are alive. So when they are alive, in that condition we have to use present perfect tense. Ouch! I just cut my hand using the can opener. Now you will say, ma'am, we have used here simple present tense, but no student. Cut. If we talk about the forms of cut, those are cut, cut and cut. Means first, second, third, 3 of the forms are same. So here what we have used? Simple past tense. Ouch, I just cut my hand using the can opener. Okay. So I hope you have understood. Now the next one, past continuous tense. The past continuous, as we have done, indicates an action which started in the past and continued in a certain time period. Okay, in the past only it continued. For the present, if you remember what we did for the present tense, ismr plus ing. Okay, so now same as continuous, ing you have to put, but ismr. Ismr is the present tense. When what will be the past of the ismr? That is was and were, and plus ing with both of them. Okay, so was with singular, were with plural. So simple, I was starting, I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, they were. Simple, you have to only keep one thing in your mind. Was with singular, were with plural. For the negative, helping verb is given, so no issues. After helping verb you have to put not. I was not, you were not, he was not, she was not, it was not, we were not, you were not, and they were not starting. Understood? For interrogative, simple, put the helping verb in front of the sentence. Was I starting? Were you starting? Was he starting? Was she starting? Okay, so simple, understood? Past continuous. Now, again this is your classwork, and this you have to put simple past tense or past continuous according to the sentences. Now, same as you have got the exercise. First of all, you should know what you have to fill. So, simple past tense verb second form. For the past continuous tense, you have to fill was, were plus ing. Okay. So, now what you have to do? When I dash home, everyone dash. So, when I reached home, everyone was sleeping. So it is understood. You cannot write when I was reaching home, everyone slept. No. So when I reached home, everyone was sleeping. Okay. According to the sense of the sentence, you have to fill the answer. While traveling to Delhi by train, we made lots of new friends. So see, the activity has done in the past tense. Okay. That's why we cannot put here we were making. No, we made. Although it was snowing, the plane took off. Although it was snowing, due to snowing, the plane took off. Okay. Katrina was cycling when she had an accident. So, Katrina was cycling. What was the activity she was doing? She was cycling. When she had an accident. Okay. The grandchildren were wrapping birthday gifts when their grandfather walked into the room. So that is walked into the room. Walked. Okay. And were wrapping. So what was the activity going on? Whatever the activity was going on, In that condition you have to put past continuous, otherwise you have to put simple past. I was walking home yesterday evening when the lights went off. Okay, I will even give you a slight hint also. Till then you can even identify what the hint I am going to give. Sindhu was sitting in a cafe when you called. Sindhu was sitting. What was the activity going on? Sindhu was sitting in a cafe when you called. Okay. Who was waiting for Vinod when he arrived at the dentist clinic? So who was waiting? So the activity of waiting. So who was waiting when he arrived? Now student, if you can see in most of the sentences, you are getting this word when. See, when. Here. In fourth also we have when. In fifth also we have when. Okay. In sixth also we have when. In seventh also when, and the last one also when. So if you can see, after when we have put verb for second form, and before when we have put past continuous was verb plus ing. See, when second form, here also when second form, when second form, when second form, when called, when arrived. Understood? So this is a slight hint you can keep in your mind. While traveling to, in this so be simple one sentence only was there. Although it was snowing, so although is given, so with this we have used here. Otherwise, in this simple hint you can put, if any time you are getting when, so with this when you have to put verb second form, and then you have to put the present past continuous. Okay. Now this is your homework, student. Simple, complete the passage with the simple past tense of the given verb. Simple past tense means verb second form for framing the negative, did plus not plus verb first form. Okay. Thank you.